If you want to connect your OPPO Find X9 to PC and transfer data, then we have two main ways to do so. We can either do this with a USB cable. So if you have a USB cable that you can use in order to connect your phone to a computer, then we can start with that. There we go, we're gonna plug it in. And after that, once we connect our phone, we're gonna start charging first, but we can go to notifications. You will have a notification about charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification and open this menu, and you want to choose File Transfer Android Auto. There we go. And after that, we should be able to go to our computer. And there we go. Over here we have OPPO Find X9, so we can go over here and select our internal storage, and we have access to pretty much everything that we have on our phone, just like that. Now, if you want to do this wirelessly, it is also possible with the OPPO Connect. First, let me actually turn off the airplane mode, and we're gonna go to Settings. Over here, choose cross-device connectivity, and then we can go to PC. Over here, we have the O Connect. You will have to download the O Connect app on your computer. So you want to go to OPPO Connect on the internet. So go to connect.oppo.com, and then over here you should be able to download for Windows or Mac OS. Now, once you install the app on your computer, you should be able to also sign into your OPPO account, which is actually recommended to do because it is definitely easier to connect both your computer and OPPO together like this. And then we can press Add Device on our computer, for example, in order to scan the QR code. But what you can also do is on your phone, we can tap on Add New Device. Over here, we can scan the QR code by using this QR code icon, or you can just detect your computer over here. Now, in my case, I immediately connected, and there we go. Let's switch back to the desktop. Over here we have our files. We should be able to find pretty much everything that we have, just like with the cable. We can also screencast, but that's just another thing. So if you want to transfer something, you should be able to, easily download these photos. For example, I can open the photo quite easily, and we have the save option, so you can, save it on your computer. You can also click over here, save to PC as well. We can import files quite easily as well. We can import files quite easily as well just by clicking on this button over here. So you can choose whatever you want to transfer onto your phone. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.